Today's video is all about the top 5 scented body powders, and we're excited to share our thoughts with you all. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Introducing the Body Dog Natural Dog Cologne, the perfect solution for keeping your furry friends smelling fantastic. This premium scented deodorizing body spray is specially formulated to neutralize strong odors, leaving behind a fresh and pleasant scent. Whether your pet has been playing outside, getting wet in the yard, or interacting with other pets, a quick spritz of this pet cologne will instantly control any offensive odor. No time for a bath? No problem. Use this pet fragrance spray as part of your grooming routine to maintain a pleasing pet smell in between baths. Our colognes are vet and groomer recommended for all types of pets, including dogs, cats, puppies, kittens, ferrets, guinea pigs, and rabbits. Suitable for pets with normal or sensitive skin and all types of fur. In addition to its odor-neutralizing properties, this formula contains natural conditioners that leave your pet's coat silky soft. Say goodbye to sticky residues and messy applications. Simply spray and brush to reveal a great-smelling and softer coat. Pamper your beloved furry companion with the Body Dog Natural Dog Cologne and enjoy snuggles and cuddles with a fantastic scent. Elevate your shower or bathing experience with Native Body Wash, a natural body wash that is both gentle and effective. Our body wash is formulated with naturally derived ingredients, ensuring that you are using a product that is safe for your skin and the environment. With a blend of synthetic and natural fragrances, our body wash offers a delightful scent that transforms your daily shower routine into a luxurious experience. The cleansers in our body wash are derived from coconut oil, leaving your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and refreshed. Plus, our body wash is vegan and cruelty-free, as it is free of SLS, SLES, and phthalates. Finally, you can choose from a variety of scents to personalize your bathing experience. Treat yourself to the clean and refreshing feeling of Native Body Wash today. Looking for a natural and pure skincare product? Look no further than Me Nature Rose Petal Powder. Made with 100% natural ingredients, this powder is free from chemicals, added colors, and preservatives. Before using, we recommend conducting a small patch test on your skin to check for any allergic reactions, as the effect of the product varies from skin to skin. Me Nature is dedicated to producing the highest quality products and natural herbs that are sustainably sourced and fairly traded. Rest assured, this product is processed in an FDA-registered facility in India, ensuring its safety and efficacy. The rose petal powder comes in a convenient resealable Ziploc pouch, making it easy to use. The uses of this natural powder are versatile. It serves as an essential ingredient in many face packs and hair packs, as well as hair oils. For a revitalizing face treatment, mix 2 teaspoons of rose petal powder with 2 to 5 teaspoons of yogurt or curd. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and apply the mixture all over your face and neck. Experience the beauty benefits of Me Nature Rose Petal Powder and indulge in chemical-free skincare. Introducing Pete Pedro Body Balls Powder, the ultimate talc-free ball powder deodorant for men. This innovative product is here to keep you fresh and comfortable all day long. With its powerful moisture-absorbing formula, it quickly eliminates sweat and odor, giving you a chafe-free experience for your body, privates, and feet. Say goodbye to sweaty and smelly balls and hello to ultimate freshness. Our premium blend of cornstarch and talc-free ingredients not only absorbs sweat but also provides a soothing sensation that will leave you feeling clean and refreshed. It's perfect for protecting areas prone to sweat and funk, including your butt, hands, feet, and yes, even your balls. Ladies, this product is great for you too. We prioritize the use of key ingredients such as cornstarch, allantoin, baking soda, and aloe extract to ensure all-day protection without compromising on quality. Our powder is free of harmful substances like parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic color, gluten, DEA/TEA, and petrolatum. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. Choose from 3 different scents unscented for a neutral option. Fresh for a clean classic scent, or Frost for an incredibly cool fragrance accompanied by an amazing cooling sensation. The choice is yours. Experience the ultimate below-the-belt care with Pete Pedro Body Balls Powder. Stay fresh, dry, and confident throughout the day. Get yours now. Looking for a reliable body powder that keeps you feeling fresh all day long? Look no further than Summer's Eve Island Splash Body Powder. This pack of 3 ensures that you never run out of this talc-free powder. Not only does it neutralize odor, but it also absorbs moisture, leaving you with a silky smooth feeling. With its lightly scented formula, this powder provides 5 fresh benefits in one product. Whether you're crossing your legs, working out, getting your period, or getting up close and personal, Summer's Eve Island Splash Body Powder has got you covered. Stay fresh and confident with this must-have body powder. Rodolfo from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, they last a while. Hans from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, use this powder daily. Does not contain talc. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 scented body powders. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.